Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Alight motion in we click on settings. Here, if we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will click on Alight motion. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.